Let's see how to add videos to HTML. Okay, we have this doc type HTML. Create a div. Then we have to add video tag. We have video src, this tag. Then we have the video in our folder. Copy the path, and control V. We don't have to use this big of it. We can just use this much because it's in our folder. Then open the live server. We have the video. We just have to add controls to it. Edit controls, control S. Okay, we can play now. The video is playing now. Let's see other attributes of the video tag. There's this tag in video autoplay, autoplay. Specific that video will start. Specify that video will start playing as soon as it is ready. It will autoplay the video. Controls, add controls to the video, like how I showed it. Height, you can use height in pixels to set the height of the video. Height 200. We have 200 height of this video. Let's see another tag, loop. It will start in loop. Let's add loop to our video. Loop, specify that the video will start over and over again every time it is finished. Let's add loop. Loop, control S. It starts again. When it ends, it start again. When it ends, it will loop. It will start over and over again. Muted. Let's say muted. Specify that the audio output of the video should be muted. It will mute our video. Muted. Okay. It has muted our video. You can see our video is muted. Let's see other tag, poster. Specify an image or show the video is downloaded for use. We can add poster to our video. Poster, like how we add in YouTube. Let's use this picture. Copy. Over the and control V. It added a poster like in YouTube. It's nice. That's all in this video. We will add audio in our HTML in the next video. Thank you.